Hey guys, this is Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm from Hangzhou Longwing Company. Today I'm going to bring you a very good helper for baking. This is a baking paper sheet to put in the air fryer. So it's very suitable for baking chickens, wings, fish and chips, egg tart, anything you like to bake. It's waterproof and oil resistant. It's very easy to use. It can be available on both sizes. So basically you put your food on the paper and you put it on the air fryer. It's just the oil spill. It won't oil spilled in the room. So basically, no matter you won't use at home or you're a restaurant owner, definitely can buy one of this. It's very helpful in the kitchen. Alright, that's it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.